Hi. First of all, I'd like to apologize for my imperfect English and some technical difficulties that might occur during the recording of this video, but hopefully the quality of our product will speak for itself. Our program consists of a few modules. First is testing. This is where you see the editor of patterns. Pattern is the situation on the stock market, on the stock, where we want to enter the position. Some patterns are complicated, some are simple. However, to create the profitable pattern might take quite a while. We have about a dozen of really good ones. This pattern that we're gonna see called the X bar, and it's initiated when stock falls a lot, and at certain moment of time the big volume occurs, and it might indicate the potential reversal on the stock. What I'm doing right now is testing 10 stocks for presentation purposes, and it's going to take less than a minute to see the results of the test for 20 days. Actually, during the work on the program, we test several thousand stocks and for several years just to see, and as you see, the test is finished and we can see the result of the testing in our operation log. That's how it looks. And we can see number of deals, balance chart, or we can see deal by deal what took place. Next module is simulation. This module we call simulation because we're gonna see how our program would behave during real-time trading. But 95% of all the deals that we're gonna see in simulations, we're gonna see in real-time trading. Some are not initiated because shorts are not allowed, or some slippage issue, but absolute majority of trades are done, and it's extremely convenient because during simulation mode we actually see how each and every pattern works, how each and every stock that was traded work, and we can project the future based on this. Meanwhile, as you can see, this is a matrix, the table of stocks that are traded. Each cell is a trading robot. We have about 275 stocks and about 7 patterns across. So all in all, it's about a couple of thousands of robots. Each one is a robot. our simulation is done. We can group by pattern. The most successful was X bar. Pattern called balls also made money. And all in all, we made about 1174 trading on 100 shares lots. We made about 40 operations, 19 were successful. However, our take profit is several times more than stop loss. We can also group by stock. We can see our least successful and the most successful operation. This is simulation. We can also do trading simulation. Very useful. We can see how the trading would take place. Let's take a recent date. And how we would react to it. During trading, we can also open position charts, and all the trades that are taking place are going to be shown in the charts. We can move stop loss and take profit. Once the position closes, the chart closes as well. It's very convenient for the visual effect, and nobody has it. That's how the simulation works and how real trading works. We can use charts, or we don't have to use them. See, once our take profit reached, the result of trading simulation we would see in a separate window. And we can see the balance chart of our operations. Let's go over a few useful options. We have very strict mechanism of restrictions. We can make one deal, two deals. We can avoid trading first half an hour or last half an hour. All kinds of things. Trading schemes. We can put anything that we want. We can close by time. We can move stop loss. We can add additional positions. We can have execution delays and all kinds of nice and pretty things that trader can think of in order to upgrade their trading. That's how trading scheme constructor works. Very convenient, very user friendly, and not a single trade passes by just like that. We have the patterns library. We have several hundreds of patterns, but we actively use about a dozen. That's about it. Hopefully it showed you a little bit of capabilities of our program. Not a single program that exists right now does not have such a full complex of solutions for the trader on American stock exchanges. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching our video.